I don't think I ever talked about this, but so I went to plane this board, and you can see there's a knot right there on the end of the board. Now, I'm not going to use that because it's not the greatest looking anyways. So no sense of planing it because that's hard on the planer. That is so much harder than this right here. So may as well take it over and cut it off and throw this in the burnables for the wood stove. So if there was a bad knot in the center of a board, you know, a really big thing, I'd probably do the same thing. Cut on each side. And that way you're not planing off that big knot. Now, if you see a board that's warped a bunch, same thing. You don't want to try to plane off that warped board. Cut it, plane off two shorter ones, because you wouldn't be able to use the full thing anyways. It's just going to cause problems with your wood project. So a little, sometimes I guess, call it prep before you do the planing. Okay, so just a little note, you know, a little TLC for your planer is just to remove those big knots you're not going to use anyways. Okay, let's get back to planing.